Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know it's been a while. I've been here. Stuff has been happening, life has been happening, but you know what? Hopefully I'll get to carry you guys along with, how life has been for over a year. I can't even remember the last time I made a YouTube video, but yeah, today is a special day. I'm really excited and I'm doing something fun. So I was like, yeah, I want to vlog this. I was like, yeah, I really wanted to vlog this. It's my husband's birthday and we're going on this really cool experience. I'm gonna carry you guys along anyway. You kind of get a glimpse into what it is. Can you turn down the TV, please? Sure. So it's a bus tour. It has food. It's like fine dining. Yeah, I'll just carry you guys along. We're currently running late. It starts by 12 and it's like past 11 now. And it's about 20 minutes to get there, so we need to be on the way. I just wanted to do this intro quickly and I'll kind of show you guys what I'm wearing, and yeah, I'll just carry you along and how this birthday goes. It's my birthday too, okay? So yeah, I'm just feeling a little bit excited today. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this vlog. I hope I haven't lost you guys, because I've been off for a while, but look, I have good news, bad news, and everything in between. So hopefully more videos will come where I can like speak to you guys in depth about stuff. Okay, so see you. So now I'm just trying to get my last bits into the bag. Wait, I have to repack this. I also have these glasses that I want to fix. Hopefully we have time to drop it off because planned quite a few activities today, so I don't know, we'll see how it goes. My comb is here, isn't it? I don't know. So this is my outfit of the day. Just something simple and comfortable, because you know how it can be walking around London, and just wanted something simple, comfy, cute. Yeah, so this is it. I'll try and do a better video of it. The lighting in here is not really great. Yeah, but we need to start going. I keep saying we need to start going and I'm still making more videos. All right, see you guys. Thank you. Hi guys, we're back from the tour. I'm back to the hotel. I really enjoyed it, although I've done something like that before, but that one was afternoon tea, and this was like a 4-course meal. You know, it was a bit like fine dining. They tried to make it bougie with the wine. Yeah, but I just really wanted to do this for my husband because this is his first time in the UK. So I thought it would just be a really good way for him to see, like, you know, all the major places, and it was. I'm glad he enjoyed it. We're planning to go to the Borough Market, which is like, maybe I'll make videos when I'm there. Maybe that will be a separate video, I don't know. But for now, we're just going to take a short rest and then head out again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. I just wanted to share this experience on YouTube. It's a special experience to me, so I just wanted to document it. Thank you for watching. If you watched up to this point, hopefully we'll see very soon in my next video. Please like and subscribe, support your girl, you know. And yeah, everybody take care. See you in my next video. Bye.